buddy. How you doing today?
You know, that's kind of what you have to do. You can be honest here. I'm not a cop.
You know.
Also not on E85 and like 90 other things.
Yeah,
But I do have a carbon front. And
you do have carbon. You weigh less than me, I guarantee it.
Not with me in the car ride.
Are you getting videos?
Yeah. The GoPro's getting all of it.
Oh my god. Being able to see the screen.
Bruh, who's that big ass?
I know, that's why. And then of course, like as soon as I took the picture, the lights were green. I was like, fuck. I was like, now I can drive. And there's that van that like pulled out.
Bring my car over.
Oh yeah.
You guys felt that one first.
Oh yeah. Get that shot.
Alright,
Looking sharp. Looking sharp. It better be looking sharp.
It better be looking sharp.
that's the idea.
If it ain't sharp, I don't want it. You're freezing. I can tell.
Well, I mean, my body's getting used to it. I'm not like
You're bumped
physically
up.
cold, but my body.
I have a sweater if you want a sweater in my car.
Oh no, okay.
It's all fine. It's just covered in goosebumps.
That is so funny.
Oh yeah. That's because you guys bought the cars.
You just bring your car and you just take the chase and make it look great.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think it's a great team.
It is a team effort. Because I can't afford that crap.
I'm just waiting for you. I'm just waiting to see which one shots you're going next.
Okay.
I just didn't know if you're going close up now or what.
Yeah, I think so.
Ah, you're going close up? Ah.
I didn't bring my... I have a rain cover. I didn't bring it.
Ah. This thing survives in the rain before.
Where? That's what I need. Get my hood back on here.
You should put my little thing in it.
Huh?
My exhaust cover. Put the cork on.
Yeah.
You do it. I don't know where it is.
It's in the door. Driver's door. Cork that hoe.
Oh yeah, the one you always wash your car?
Yeah, if it gets water in there, it's fucking... It needs to be plugged.
I got mine going for it.
No, for real.
Shit's waterproof.
I ain't gonna work. Yeah, shove it in. Just avoid that shot.
What?
Oh, it's just hella dirt back here.
Hello dirty. What's hello dirty?
The car.
The car?
Look at it.
You didn't clean the whole back here.
You didn't clean the back.
It's raining anyways, it doesn't matter.
That's fair.
If you want me to wipe it down, I will.
Nah, it's good. I'll put haze on it. Nobody will know.
That's so fucking crazy. And
Oh, Nick.
Wow.
You're just barely in my photo.
Oh really?
You're bad. Skill issue.
Here, I'll show you.
Let's see.
You were like just in the frame.
That was that.
Oh
Just
no.
barely. Shot. Here we go.
Try to see if you make his spacers a lot more bigger. Try to see if you make his wheel a lot more bigger. Versus hers.
That's all.
Look at hers. It's I saw it.
Yeah, that was so smooth. He's just like.
Well, you can probably take his butt plug out now if you want to use that.
Alright. Well, I mean, I already got most of them, I think, for that. Bring my car over?
Yeah, bring the car over. Yeah, bring the drone car.
No.
The drone car.
Here, I'm just gonna leave this in your hands.
Oh no! Are you charging me this time? What?
You
Hey, here's the thing. Here's a little story about this.
I did it. You tell it. I'm gonna go get my car.
Yeah, so literally, here's the thing. He was climbing the tree, and literally he was climbing down because he was done with the tree to get above shot, right? He's like, hey, you gotta get it. And I tried to grab it, and I couldn't get it. I'm like, we're gonna have to do it a stupid way. I'm like, what? I'm gonna have to jump. You have to drop at the same time. You know what happened? The camera dropped. I jumped, and I already landed it. The camera wasn't there, and he dropped it. And I'm like, no! And just like, bam!
Here, start up. Metal on metal.
Floor it.
Floor it.
She can floor it and it's not gonna be loud.
Oh, he's backing all the way.
You use mine.
Shit, I gotta go through all these.
Backup lights and everything. Oh my God.
Hey, who are you? I heard you.
I know, I heard it too.
It was, what was that? Truck? Ew. Ew.
Dirty from work. Oh, here we go.
Oh, he's kidding.
Oh, here we go. He's gonna come. Let's see the camera. Let's see the camera, bro. Let's get the camera. Yeah.
You know.
Wait, is the GoPro going? Okay,
Yeah.
here we go.
I'm just gonna like, actually, this is like a good fucking shot. Not gonna lie. What the fuck?
The fog in the background goes crazy.
Water drop just hit me straight in the eyeball. It's starting to become a thing that people take photos of me getting into these high places and like taking photos of me behind the scenes. Like,
Ethan in action. It's gonna be a tag.
Yep.
You know that photo I showed you with that 350Z, the white one?
Yeah.
And it was like, I was way up high, I showed the building area.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, I climbed up. I have it on GoPro somewhere, but I like climbed up onto this spot where I was like only half my feet were on this ledge. I was just standing like 20 feet in the air. Brother was like, "You good? I don't have insurance for you, bud."
Anything for those angles.
Yeah.
Little monkey.
Like further back, but facing that way a little bit.
Facing this way. Do you want me more on the right of the car in the back or to the left of the car in the back?
So you'll go this way just straight, and then you'll be
More to the right,
that
but
way.
facing that way.
Yep.
Okay. Got it.
Yep.
I'm holding?
Got it.
You guys want to leave me a mark?
Oh.
Here you go.
I got a nice mark.
What?
I got a nice mark from the.
My butt plug? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see where your shot is now. I see it from your camera. Yeah, you do that, I'll do the same thing. We're in the same spot.
Yeah, I've seen this done like once, maybe twice before. It just stuck with me and I liked it. I'll go right here. Just chill behind my exhaust. Is it really?
No, it's like lukewarm.
Oh yeah, because it's sitting at probably like 300 RPMs or something.
I hope like those clouds kind of parted to get to them.
I know, right?
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
What if I like, you know,
If you wish really hard, it's still not gonna happen.
what if I manifest it?
What if I just like blow at it really hard, like
Yeah. I don't think any of those options are gonna work.
Not with that attitude.
You gotta go for it.
Yeah, for real. I don't think I can reach it.
I know.
Really?
Yum.
I want to do another position.
No, position is just not working now as best.
Oh no, I got a couple that I do like.
Oh, okay. Maybe
But-
maybe check the back real fast because I haven't got that part yet.
I know, I'm trying to remember.
I know you're like.
I don't remember what angle. There was one that I really liked that showcased the back real well.
Yeah.
'Cause I got, this is just like one, maybe two shots
Right.
this position can do.
Yeah.
Shoot, do you know any that showcase the back? I don't have them memorized or saved, I don't think. Here, let me check. I think I saw it on Lincoln Maury's page. Shoot, I don't have any saved for 2 cars. I only have some for 1 car.
Here we go. You want something like that?
Yes, that's what I was thinking.
Do you want that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Let's go.
All
Let's
right.
do it. You want hers? Who has the better ass?
Which one's clean?
Which one is actually clean ass?
Yeah, hold on, we gotta check.
I mean the photo.
Howdy doing that? Yeah.
Oh, well, you see it. There you go.
Just for fun?
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah.
Not selling?
Nope.
Mm-hmm.
Not there yet, but we gotta work at it somehow, huh?
Yeah, we'll get there. I'll do a lot of pre-shoots.
You know, that's kind of what you have to do.
You have to do it anyway.
You have to get
Game
started.
has changed so much anymore. Like,
Yeah.
trying to grow is good luck.
Yep. I got a couple events booked for in a couple months in advance, but
Yeah.
nothing right now.
That's good.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Okay. So you gotta start somewhere.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
No, but it's like shooting the stuff you like.
That one's hard. That one's hard.
Yeah.
That's why I have this guy.
Yeah. I did all the contacts.
Yeah.
We did a Ferrari shoot yesterday here, so we're good.
Yep, there.
Now, who are the car owners?
Come on now, tell the class your name. We just want to know your name.
The course one is this one.
Two?
I shouldn't.
You can be honest here. I'm not a cop. You know, I see a lot of vehicles come in who want to be tough with doing donuts, but it doesn't take much for like do a donut with that truck on asphalt.
Yeah.
These can't even do them unless it's
Hey,
They're not. There's no donuts
you've
happening
got the
here.
power, but that car's not designed to slip.
No.
No.
I'm
Nah.
not as worried about donuts as people just going raging fast.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So,
Yeah, don't worry.
kudos.
I appreciate it.
Anyways, you'll have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Have a good one, man.
Telling you. This spot is 10 out of 10. That's why I love this spot.
Did you show her the idea?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
What do I do? Oh, like this?
Yes.
Yep.
We'll show it again. If I can find it. There we go.
Oh, that is cool. So
Yeah.
which car's doing this? Which car's doing this?
So his car is gonna stay. Actually, I like her car right where it is because the tree's better. So he'll drive around and
You're gonna need him. Hold on, I'll show you the. I'll show you the photo again.
She's gonna have to flip. So,
Yeah, you see it.
I was just thinking she could stay completely still. So
All right.
so
Fine.
yeah. So you'll do
They're coming in now.
you'll just do 180 and then he'll pull up beside you.
Okay, so you just want me to literally flip it around?
Yep.
Or are they where it is like that?
Yep. Get jiggy with it.
Alright. Alright, now I gotta remember how to climb up your damn cart again.
You need help?
Baby.
Yeah, I just put it in there.
Yeah.
No,
Nope.
use your lens.
What, my lens?
Yes.
Okay, fair.
And then it stays.
Oh my god, I almost had it!
There you go. You got it. You got it.
Perfect.
Nice.
See, now it wants to work.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Stand on the rails.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Oh my god, it's gonna fucking.
Hey, I'm used to my Jeep, okay?
You gotta go
Here,
on the rails.
stand on like this and the rail.
Okay.
Oh! That's not a good idea.
Step like on the edge there.
Static mode.
Okay, that's better.
That's better. Now I'm down up here.
I thought he had a little more dexterity.
The monkey man traits.
He's gonna die, fall on me, and kill me.
You guys are gonna get up and then check your cameras first. Not even check to see if anything's broken.
That's so true.
That is so true.
Oh, this is looking good. This is looking good.
that scared fuck though. She's got that wide angle.
So real. Oh wait, now I gotta get a photo of you up there. Real quick.
Oh my god.
Yeah, if I'm the underside, so. As please.
I'm just gonna act like this.
I'm really like.
That's so good.
Yeah.
So good.
Dude, the Subaru's like.
Really?
Yep.
I'm like barely moving it. Oh my god.
Dude.
Alright, now I gotta figure out to get down from here.
I'll take your camera.
Yeah, please do. Don't drop it. We're doing the backwards way.
We took it back.
Oh my god. Alright. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit and just slide down.
Alright.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't jump, don't jump.
Just sit on like.
I'm gonna jump!
This part's stable, but that part's not. So sit on that.
Yeah.
It's got hail damage. It's fine.
Slam it!
Yeah. If you see up there, there's like hella paint chips too.
Yeah, that too.
Roller time?
Oh, what do you think?
Like the sun is almost gone.
Yeah, do we want to get roller strike now?
I was thinking that's pretty good. Yeah, we got 3 different positions now.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm down.
Let's do it.
Sweet.
So you want to do rows first? Because I did rows last time.
Sure.
Who's driving?
Me.
Yeah, he'll be driving. Let me get the GoPro set up and change batteries. I also need to move a couple things.
And we're doing 45 as well?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
so. That worked pretty well last time.
Here's this pit pass road.
Oh.
Give us a me.
I go to sit down and it goes up my ass.
Dude, my camera has to buffer so slowly. That's so annoying. I'm getting good photos though. A little closer.